Hi! I am going through all my jewelry. If you saw my video yesterday, you saw that I've completely taken every piece of jewelry that I own out of my drawers and so forth, and I totally forgot about that whole thing of necklaces behind me. But I am completely downsizing, getting rid of the things I don't use the most, and I want to just sort of get things under control. Now, this is stuff that I have had and purchased and gotten as gifts and things for the last, 52 years. So it's, yeah, it's a lot of stuff. I get that, but I'm getting rid of a lot of it. And what I thought I would do, I've had a lot of people ask me if I'm planning to sell it, and if so, where, and they want to know, and they want opportunities to purchase. So if there's something you're absolutely wanting to have, I thought I would go through the deal of putting this on Poshmark. So I'm already on Poshmark. I sell some clothing items and things that I went through a phase where I still do. I wear things too big for myself. So I buy things real jumbo. So I put a bunch of things on Poshmark lately that just don't fit me, or I purchased in a size that just doesn't work for me, and I just really need to get my own real size. So I already have a Poshmark, in case you didn't know that. I don't advertise it or anything, but so I have some clothing items and some jewelry items on there already. So I'm going to add these things to it. I just have a pile here right now, and some bracelets and some bits and pieces. But here's how it's going to work though. Adding it to Poshmark, the way you have to do it, it's just I can't like get it all ready and then boom, it's all there. I have to go one piece at a time, and put in all the information and what it's made of and all that kind of thing. And then I hit list and it's on there. And then 10 minutes later, there'll be another one, and 10 minutes later, another one. And then tomorrow I'll have more. And excuse me. So it's gonna be one of those things where daily and throughout the day, there will be new items put on there. But I figured that's the easiest way for me to do it. Poshmark then generates the mailing address for me, so then I can just print that and send it. It'll just be so much easier for me to just kind of cull through all this stuff. And I will be very honest about, where I purchased it, what it's made of. I've got my little magnifying glass out. I'm looking for different marks from gold, silver, and whether it's costume or not. And yeah, so I just figured I may as well just do it this way and see how that goes. So I wanted to tell you that if you're interested at all in any of these things, and plus I am going to be adding more clothing items too, and possibly shoes and bags and things like that. So just go ahead and get yourself on Poshmark. I've put my information here, and I will put it again at the end of the video, so you know how to find me on there. And if there's anything you're interested in, let me know, all right? Thank you so much, and I need to get going because this will take me days. I will be doing this probably every single bit from now and through the weekend and beyond. So just check back regularly. There will be new things. Thanks. Appreciate it a lot. Bye.